Now read the 11th verse, 11th mantra. Namo Bhuvante, huh? Bhuvante varivaskata aushadhinam pate namo nama. Again. Bhuvante varivaskata aushadhinam pate namo nama. Namo Bhuvante. So Bhuvante means what? Bhuvam tanoti iti Bhuvante. There is one, Bhuvam tanoti means one who protects the whole earth, world. So one who causes the growth inside the earth. Oh, Bob. So inside he is there and causes earthquake. There is some movement in the tectonic plates he causes. There is a lava inside. You know that? In Indonesia, I think a lot of volcanoes are there. So that is also required to make the place fertile. That also has something, minerals also come out of that. It makes the earth. So he tilts the whole earth. Automatic arrangement is there. So, oh Lord of tilling the earth. Kya baat hai? You don't need anything else. Namo Bhuvante. So he is the one who is doing inside. I told you it is a molten, we are sitting on a liquid chocolate, you remember that? So he is there inside the earth. So at the core of, I think, the metallurgy who study metallurgy and geology. Geology, you know what is geologist here? So they will tell about that there is a core of earth. Inner core, then another concentric circle, like that. So they will tell that there is a molten and that comes out. He is the one who reshuffles the whole thing. So sometimes water level is inside, sometimes it is not there. So Namo, I offer name and namaskar to him. Kitna bada kaam ho raha hai. Nobody can make that thing. Nobody can make mud. One day one scientist went to God, he said, whatever you do, I can also do. So he said, what can you do? He said, I can make. So God said, okay, do one thing. Do very simple thing. What? Make the pot from the mud. Well, very simple. So he brought the mud. That scientist. God said, hold on. First make your own mud. This mud I have made. Secondly, make your own hand. There is nobody who can make his own finger also. Thirdly, make your own eyes. Fourthly, make your own brain who gives a signal to the hand. We have a pride that we do so much. Little think will you lead. To have a pride, a person should be foolish. That's the only qualification. So Namo Bhuvante. क्या हम लोग करते हैं? हमने ये किया वो किया. अरे all everything he is giving. We do little adjustment here and there. Somebody went to Gurudev, when Gurudev was eating. He said, well, who made this kheer? It's excellent. He said, that lady said, I made. He said, you made the rice. Rice who made? Who made the milk? Who made the sugar? Who made the gas stove? Who made the fire? Who made the metal in which it is boiled? No, I put keshav. Who made the keshav also? And even if you know how to make, it was told to you by your mother. So, she got from her mother. So everything we are using has been from somewhere else. ये मिथ्या अभिमान. Therefore, Bhagwan Krishna doesn't mean any word. From Vrindavan he was. You don't expect very dignified language from him. Straight away, ahankar vimud atma. Seedhe seedhe. Karta hamiti manyate. Well, those who are strictly foolish, they think I did it. So Namo Bhuvante. ये नमन का मतलब ही यही कि हमारा काम बहुत ही कम है. My role is very simple, very negligible role is there. And your role is much bigger. Nobody has made his voice. And interesting thing is everybody's voice is different in this world. There may be little resemblance, but not exactly identical voice. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? So Namo Bhuvante. Next word is, very interesting word is, Vari Vaskrit. Vari Vaskrit. You saw the word? Don't mix the Vari Vaskrit, and then it is Vari Vaskritaya. This is the whole word is like that. See the Sanskrit people? Vari Vaskritaya. And then is Aushadhi Nam Pate Namah. So what is the meaning of Vari Vaskrit? So it has a beautiful meaning. One is word called Variva. Variva. And Variva means seva. Variva. So Variva means, and one who does seva is called Varivaskrit. Varivaskrit. One who worships and serves the God is called Varivaskrit. And one who is in this devotee, Varivaskritsu Tishtati iti Varivaskrit. Well, what are you saying? Varivaskrit? I don't understand. Say straight away and move ahead, I don't understand. Now, some people may be interested in this. One is called Variva. Vari means seva and paricharya. Varivaskrit means one who does that. And one who is situated in such a devotee, who dwells in it, he is called Varivaskrit. Oh, I now understand. Like in Sanskrit, that is called pratyay is there. In Hinduism, pratyay called tadhit pratyay. Tadhit pratyay, like Vasudeva. So Vasudevasya patyam puman iti Vasudeva. So Vasudev's son is called Vasudeva. Dasharath's son is called Dasharathi, not Dasharath. Dasharathi, he is called. So this is the way it is said here. Mahendra's son Mahendra. Oh, so one who is in this devotee is called Varivaskrit. Oh, interesting. Varivaskrit. And fourth case it is called tu. When a tu is there, I is added. Like tu Ram, Ramaya, tu Krishna, Krishnaya, tu Shiv, Shivaya. Oh, now I understand. I think Sanskrit I am getting everything. No. So this is this is just a small portion. You should learn to love some knowledge. Person should be Vidya Rasik. Otherwise he'll become sick. So Varivaskritaya means to that one who dwells in the devotees. Kya baat hai? When a person is, from the face you can make it out, that person, Swami Akhandanand used to say, seeing the face I can tell which mantra person does jap. Certain lines appear, certain marks are there. So face tells a lot. Don't see my face. But there is a big communication which mantra person does, whether he has committed murder, whether he is angry person, whether he has done jap, whether he has been done good actions, not jap. Because Lord is inside the devotee. You don't do action. Actually, you bring God inside or God through God outside. By doing action, you bring some Shakti. And by doing action, you drop some Shakti. And therefore, yesterday you heard, when Hanumanji came back from Lanka, Mukh prasanna tan tej biraja, kinhe Ramchandra kar kaja. So his face itself told that he did the work. So when a person does a good work, Bhagavan enters his mind. He thinks something very good, he enters his mind. In Mahabharata, one story, very famous story comes. Prahlad ji was very great king, Prahlad ji. So Indra came to him. He said, give me cows, he can take. Well, give me gold, he said, take that. He said, give me that treasury money, he said, give. Everything he gave. Lastly, you know what Indra said? Give me your shield. Got my point? Shield. Shield means good conduct, good manners, your dharma, your buddhi. Shield is a very beautiful word. Bhagwan Ram is called Shield Sindhu. One who is above ocean of all shield. The way a person talks, other person doesn't get hurt. His dharma is there. His charitra is there. The shield has dharma, charitra, quietness, speech, all are included. And there Prahlad ji says, I am sorry. So why? Well, the moment I will give shield, all devatas will go away. And then I will become Asur. And then you know what will happen? What I will have given, I will snatch everything. I will become a fighter after that. As long as I have shield, I am not fighting with you. So, a person, don't the person does an action and is over. He brings certain devata. He brings certain godliness. Even by thinking only you can change. Seeing the face, you say, why you are what happened? Looking sad. Looking very down today. What has happened? इतने बुझे बुझे क्यों भैया? रुद्र has left. उसने ऐसा काम कर दिया कि रुद्र चले गए. You see the beggar's face, criminal's face. You must have seen the face. Oh, भगवान ही नहीं है. See Ramkrishna Paramahansa's face, see Gurudev's face. So, Tapovan Maharaj, when you do certain good actions, the Lord, He becomes Varivrskit. He enters into the devotees. And therefore the very presence of such person makes the place Tirth. Tirth is not because of Bhagavan, I am repeating it. Tirth is because of devotees of Lord. Badrinath is not because of Narayan. It is Shankaracharya Bhagavan who revealed Badrinath, I tell you. Pandavas revealed the Kedarnath. Siddhavadi is because of Gurudev. Jagdishwar temple is not because of Jagdishwar, it is because of Gurudev there. Similarly, Belur Math in Calcutta. In Dakshineshwar temple is there in Calcutta. Devi was already there before Ramkrishna Paramahansa was born. But because of him that became very famous Tirth. I hope it is. So this is the power of the devotees. So he enters into the devotee. And not only enters, sometimes he serves also. You know, those who are from Maharashtra, they will know. There's some saint called Saint Eknath. You know, in his house, Bhagwan was working as a servant. What was his name? Shikandiya. He was working as a, who fills the water from the well. ये शक्ति होती डिवोटी में. कबीरा मन निर्मल बया जैसे गंगा नीर, पाछे पाछे हरि फिरे कहे कबीर कबीर. Kabir says, my mind has become so pure like a Ganges water. Behind me all the time Lord is saying. He said, Arey Kabir, 2 minutes ruko. He said, later on. So Kabira man nirmal bhaya jaise ganga neer, pache pache hari phire kahat Kabir Kabir. That is called Rudraya. And therefore we should be very careful who is coming inside and who is going away from me. One long action, it will take lot of time again to bring back that God inside. That is called Varivaskrit. The next word is Varivaskrit. And next is Oshadhinam Pate Nama. I think I told about this. Oshan Datte Iti Oshadhi. That gives, what is it called? Not nutrition. Nourishment or some kind of medicinal values there. Therefore, very technically, this barley, wheat, rice, they are called oshad. Because they have medicinal value in that. So food should be medicine. If we don't take food as a medicine, we have to take medicine as a food. Lot of medicine you have to take, that means. So he is eating medicine like a food. You have to really take lot of medicine then, well, morning, evening, afternoon. Oh Shadi Nam Pataye Namo Namah. Next word, let me go for next word. Please repeat after me. Nama Uchchar Ghoshaya Krandayate Pattinam Pataye Namo Namah. See, Namah Uchchar Ghosha, one who makes terrible sound. Oh my God. When they blast the buildings, etc., the dynamite, you can see the sound. But another good sound I'll tell you. You know when Bhim was there and Bhim met Hanumanji in the forest? You know the story? Draupadi liked one flower and Bhim, he said, go and get that flower. One monkey was lying down. He said, move your... He said, I won't move, you cross. You can move. He said, you try. So he tried to move that tail. It didn't budge also. Rather, Bhim fell down. Bhim had the power of 10,000 elephant. Then he got a shock. He said, then Hanumanji came in his form. In Dwapar Yuga. And conversation again it comes in Mahabharata. So he said, Acha, tell me, can you show me that form through which you burnt Lanka? Hanumanji was asked by Bhim. He said, that was very terrible form. He was like, well, I will see that. So Hanumanji became little big and roared. Bhim fainted it. Bhim fainted. We would have lost long back. He said, how will you help me in Mahabharata? He said, I'll be seated on the chariot of Arjun. Therefore, Arjun's chariot was called Kapidhwaja. Arjun was called. So, what is his work? Moment chariot moved, Hanumanji made a lot of noise. Oh, like that. So, Uchchar Ghoshaya. One who makes terrible sound. That is also Rudra. Namah Uchchar Ghoshaya. इसको भी नहीं छोड़ते. And even if when you say, oh Lord, protect me, Pai Imam, then you also say, then he only enters through you and he prays. So Rudra, you are chanting for Mudra, but when you are chanting, Rudra has to chant for you. So actually Rudra has to be chanted loudly. Namo Hiranya Bahave Senane Disham Japate Namo Namo Vrikshebhyo Harikeshebhyo Pashunam Pate Namo Namo. You have to chant like that. You can't say Hare Namo Hiranya Bahave Senane Disham Japate Namo Namo Vrikshebhyo Harikeshebhyo Pashunam Pate. When we are chanting for worship, if you have seen that priest chanting, loudly. Uchchar Ghoshaya Krandayate. Akrandayate. Akrandayate means who makes enemies weep. Arey baap re. Weeping बड़ा डर लगता है. No, he makes enemies weep. Kauravas सबको मरवा दिया. 100 children all died. How much they were weeping. Akrandayate. He favors that means. Okay. Next word is Patti Nam Pate Namaha. Patti Nam here, Patti means the soldiers, foot soldiers. Who is the Lord of foot soldiers, who want soldiers. You know, earlier day there was for elephant, cavalry was there. So one who is foot soldiers, who is the Lord of that, who gives them the power to walk. And the bravery is there. I asked one military person, when you go for Kargil, he was going for Kargil, all this. He said, what is in your mind? You know what he said? I said, in mind is only one thing, let me die. for the country. We are not there to protect our body. We are just ready to accept the bullet. Any time bullet can shoot and pierce us. I am ready to go through all things. So that which gives that bravery in that particular soldiers. More than 500 soldiers died in Kargil war. 3,000 died in China war. And many got injured. Some lose their feet. Some lose their eyes. It's a terrible situation in the war. So one who gives that strength, otherwise they'll say, they'll run away, I won't fight also. So Patti Nam Pate Namo Nama. So he is that Rudra who comes in that shoulder also. Next word. हो गया ना? कृष्ण वीताय धावते सत्वनाम पतये नमः. Krishna Vitaya, who pervades all. When he is so big, I told you, no, visualize. You don't know. It goes up, and therefore Brahmaji and Vishnuji, once they were searching, it comes in Shiv Puran. You know, stories are there. They got lost, they couldn't get it. So one who is Krishna Vitaya, who's on the top also, bottom also, left also, right also. That means he is all pervading. His will prevails. He is Prabhu. Prabhu means Prabhavati ti Prabhu. हिंदी देश है ना, उनकी चलती है वहां पे. घर में इनकी चलती है, वहां इनकी चलती, इनकी इस ऑफिस में चलती, इनकी यहाँ नहीं, जिसकी सब जगह चलती है और सब समय चलती है. यहाँ तो हम लोग थोड़े दिन के लिए यहाँ चल गई, फिर खत्म होगी, फिर चले जाए, फिर दूसरा कोई आता है. His will prevails everywhere at all time. That is called Rudra. Next word is Dhavate, to one who is running. First you say he is all pervading, then you are saying running. कैसी बात करते हैं आप? No, he is all pervading, but his running means he is available for the devotee to run. Runs if he calls. That means his power is expressing at one place. His power expresses for a devotee only. I give the example of Gajendra one day. He rushes to protect his devotee. If you call, he rushes. But calling should have Vishwas, Tapasya, Dravata, Tivrata, Ekagrata. Oh my God, so many things. Again you say slowly. First thing, Vishwas should be there. I am sure he will come. लोग कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, द्रौपदी की तरह बुलाते नहीं, सब है ना. तो विश्वास, तपस्या should be there. One should be, austerity should be there. One should call with some kind of pain. Then dravata should be there. One should melt while calling. Tivrata should be there. He should be concentrated. Ekagrata, no other thought. And ananyata, there is nobody who is their mind. Then he runs for you. He runs to protect. Then you know that Draupadi was totally lost. All of a sudden Duryodhana had sent Durvasa with 80,000 disciples. You know the story. He said, I am coming, get all the food. Draupadi had nothing and she had Akshay Patra. You know the story. Akshay Patra. हाँ, अब पता नहीं कहाँ से भगवान कृष्ण आ गए. Don't think he was there. He came from nowhere. No, he was there, he manifested. He said, give me something. Bole, no, everything is over already. He said, give me that patra. I think who had washed that patra, he was not good washing. So, and then, that was the God's grace. And then he took little of that. They say sag was there, the herbs. I don't know which sag. But it was there, and Bhagwan Krishna took that. And all these 80,000 disciples, their feet had bloated stomach. They were searching for antacid. So antacid they could not get. They all ran away. So dhavate, to one who is running, fourth case is there. Dhavat, takarant. One who is running. One who is running for the devotees. आप बुला के देखो. Call him. We don't call also. We don't know how to call also. थोड़ा सा रोना भी आना चाहिए. अपने लिए नहीं, अहंकारी also cries. Calling and crying. And then it is called Satwanam Pate Namaha. Satwanam is who is the Lord of all sattvic people, wise person. Who is the Lord of good people also. Don't say bechara. अरे वो बेचारा नहीं, उसके पीछे कोई बहुत बड़ा है. Don't think it's a poor thing. Poor thing, he has nobody. You don't know who is there behind him. A person is not a person. A person is whom he has pleased, who is behind him. You think he has nobody, but you don't know Brahmandadipati is behind him. So anything he will do or say, a big strength will be behind him. You know, there was, in Ganesh Puri, I was talking one day. In Bombay, there is a Ganesh Puri. Nityanand Swami was there. Nityanand, have you heard the name? He was in the train. They asked him to get out of the train. He sat down on the station. Engine did not move after that. And still it is there somewhere. ये दम है इनके में. We don't know all these things. Immense power they have. And they don't have. There is somebody behind them who has that immense power. Not that they have done something, but they have pleased the God so much. I told you one day, when they walk, God walks. When they sit, God, because it is their earning is there. So, Satvanam Patay Namah. So that Rudra who was all pervading, who was all big, now in every small thing he has a lordship now.